Good morning, students. As we were studying the second chapter of class 12th, that is inverse trigonometric functions. So let's solve some more questions. So question, write the following. Write the following in the simplest form. Some of these questions I have given you in the worksheet, rest of them I am solving. So the function is tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square, where mod x is less than e. And the second question is tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3 ax square, where a is greater than 0 and x should be greater than equal to minus a by 3 and less than equal to a by root 3. Okay, so let's solve this question one by one. So solution 1, tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square. Okay, now put x is equal to a sin theta. So it becomes tan inverse a sin theta upon root a square minus a square sin square theta. Okay, so it becomes tan inverse a sin theta, and here we take a square common, so 1 minus sin square theta. So it becomes tan inverse a sin theta upon a cos theta. A and a cancels out, so it becomes tan inverse tan theta. So this becomes theta. And what is theta? Theta is x upon a sin inverse. Okay, so this is equal to sin inverse x upon a, and this is the answer. Okay students, now let's solve the second part of this question, that is tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3 ax square. So here what we put x is equal to a tan theta. So this becomes tan inverse 3 a square and a tan theta minus a cube 10 cube theta upon a cube minus 3 a square 10 square theta. So it becomes 10 inverse 3a cube 10 theta minus a cube 10 3 theta upon a cube minus 3a cube 10 square theta. Now students, if we see, we can take a cube common in the numerator and a cube common in the denominator. Okay, so and that will be cancels out, so the remaining is 3 10 theta minus 10 cube theta upon 1 minus 3 10 square theta. Okay, 10 inverse. Now this is a formula of 10 3 theta. 10 3 theta. So this is equal to 3 theta. And what is theta? 10 theta is equal to x upon a. So theta is equal to 10 inverse x upon a. So here it is 3 10 inverse x upon a. Okay students, I think this is clear to you. Now let's solve another question. The question is, if sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. So solution, since sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, so it becomes sine inverse 1 by 5 this is equal to sine inverse 1. So sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse sin pi by 2. We can write this. So it becomes sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, now since sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, so we can write now on comparing these two, cos inverse, so x should be 1 by 5 on comparing. Okay, now let's solve one more question. Find the value of tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Okay, now solution. So it becomes tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse, and 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6. In the place of 1 by 2 we can write sin pi by 6, because sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So this becomes tan inverse 2 cos 2 into pi by 6. Sin inverse and sin cancels out, so it becomes pi by 6. So this is equal to tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. So this is equal to tan inverse 2, and cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So it becomes tan inverse 1. So this is equal to tan inverse, and at the place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4. So this is equal to pi by 4, and this is the answer. Okay students.